Hi there, Retro Tech Ralph here with a little bit of not retro tech. Right, I'm doing an unboxing of the Dolce Gusto coffee machine. Now, let's get a better view from the box that way. No idea on this. Alas has kind of bought this one, which is fine. Christmas present. So we'll, yeah, bottom's got more gubbins on. Let's get this open and see what there is inside. Now, open it up. Straight away, box of instructions we've got. And if you know me by now, then, yeah. So, let's have a look on here. We've got, what the hell is that? That looks like something, I don't know. Polystyrene bits, and looks like a coffee machine in the bag. So, like the bag goes around there. Now, for view-wise for there you go. And looks like that would probably be a movable stand. Movable, there you go, small cup. Okay, bigger cup, or maybe just sit on the bottom just to catch any drips coming off of the coffee. Right, okay. Now, there's one thing I've learned. I used to work for companies that sold stuff like this. That if you've got one that's got water in it already, don't take that as a bad thing. This one will have been tested. Or it's a return to store. But more often than not, it will have been tested and it will work. So, it looks like you take this off, just pulls off, fill her up with as much water as you can, stick her back in place. There you go. And plug her in. Right, from looking out there, double clicks up. Oh, okay. Looks like hot and cold. That doesn't springs to the middle. Power button there. Okay. Where do you stick the pods? Because we've not come with a pod. Oh, okay. That is a huge. Yeah, that's a huge lock for it, so you don't switch it on at least anyway. Let's get her on. Yeah, okay. So I guess that'll flash red to say there's nothing in, which I think you'll probably replace that with a pod that slides in there, or fill it with water. If you want hotter you would go that way. Cold water, since there's no water in there, doesn't matter. That sounded like it was sucking water through them. I think it's done from the factory. Not a massive coffee drinker, unfortunately. So that will not go up. That's a good safety mechanism. Even though this is green to turn off, that will not go off to remove. Aha. So you're on heat, it won't go up. You're on heat, it won't go up. So it has to be in the middle, either a cold drink or hot drink. Oh, okay. Learn this one without instructions. Straight up, releases, has been some water pumped through, which is good. Which will obviously put the pod on there, slide her in, lock her in place, cup underneath, press you go. Cold if we want, so we'll put water through. Sweet. Shame it doesn't come with any pods whatsoever. That's the probably the only drawback on this. I suppose we'll try some coffees. We've actually bought from Amazon this and a box full of massively ridiculous amount of pods for it. Just a massive selection of what's out there. And if you know what your coffees are, go get it. If you don't, then like I don't, this is going to be an education in different types of coffee, because I only think there's like one. which is white. You don't drink black, that's evil. So, review on it so far then, yeah. I mean, if you've got smaller, tiny cups, yeah, you're going to put it that far up. Nozzles up there where the water will come out and filter through the pod. I mean, my size cups are probably that big. I do have a big cup of coffee in the morning. Whether or not you can adjust this to the amount of coffee being served is problematic, I think, because there's no sensor. I wouldn't think there's a sensor on here to say that, yeah, I want a medium cup, I want a small cup, I want a large cup. I wouldn't think so. I mean, these have been out a little while now anyway, the coffee machines, and yeah, it's about time we upgraded to one anyway, I think. So this is going to go in the kitchen. Advertising Nescafe. There you go. I'm unsupported on product placements anyway. So there's nothing much to it. That's really easy. Plug it in. Once you got it filled up with water on the back, stand there, open up, put your pod in, close, lock, press start. Off you go. Oh, make sure your cup's at the front as well. So happy days. Happy drinky coffee days. So yeah, thanks for that. If you enjoyed that, consider looking at the other stuff on my channel. Not just new stuff, lot of old stuff as well. I guess the red button there means it's actually heating. Oh, it's on green. Yeah, I can hear it bubbling. So there's no water in there. Better not do that in case I break it or something. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, or whatever I come out with next. Bye bye now.